Alright, Daddy, you want to help him open his presents? Liam,
Okay,
open your
Liam.
presents, buddy.
Let's open your present. Okay. Come on. Let's go.
Open it, buddy.
Come on. Rip. Come on. Rip. Here you go. Rip right here. Here, Liam. Pull. There you go.
Good job.
There
Yeah,
you
keep
go.
going.
You can do it, big guy. Hey, come on. Come on.
It's like I ripped enough, Dad.
Come on.
Now what?
Rip some more.
I keep ripping. It's not open yet.
Sorry, Mommy didn't make it very kid-friendly, did she? What is that, buddy? What is it? That's right. What is that? Move, Max. Come on.
It's a lot of pieces. That's what it is.
Oh, yay! Say thank you, Mommy, Daddy, and Christian.
Oh, having a brother.
Say thank you for my present.
What time there, buddy?
What is that? He's like, it's a drum.
Here, Liam.
Yay! Oh! Okay, next present. Alright, buddy. Here's your next one.
Here's the next one.
Alright.
Oh, open it up.
Open it for brother.
Oh. No. Stay by Daddy,
You
honey.
want someone to help him this up.
Okay, let's tear it. Look. Oh. There you go. Sit down. Sit down, buddy. What is that? What is it? It's a Cookie Monster. Yay! It's a Cookie Monster. Oh, give him kisses, Liam. Oh. Yay! Yay! It's your first Cookie Monster pal.
Liam. What's in here?
Okay, one more.
What's in there?
Max, get down. What's in there?
Well, this one's easy for him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, your own computer.
Your computer.
I'm gonna turn it on the side right there.
Oh.
The mouse moves around too.
Whoa, look at that.
Wait a minute. Didn't you play this?
Yeah, I opened it early, but I put it away when.
Yeah, it's Cookie Monster.
He wants Cookie Monster, Dad. Can you help him? Say, help me, please, Daddy.